Hi, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to use an online mock-up that you download and insert into Photoshop. So I'm going to take you right from the beginning, and I've gone to a website called mockupworld.com. Now there are a large variety of free mock-ups that you can use on this website. So I've just clicked on posters and pictures. So all I'm going to do is to scroll down and find the particular design that I want. So I think I'm going to use this design here. So all you need to do is go down to View Details, then click Free Download, and then just simply click Download Mockup. Now once you've done that, if you go up to your Downloads file, and as you can see, most of these mock-ups, because they are quite large file sizes, will be downloaded as a zip file. So I'm going to double click on my zip file and just get rid of that. And then I'm going to go into this file. And as you can see, there is a mock-up PSD file right here. So I'm going to double click on that one. And you can see now that I have the image in Photoshop. And if I go over to my Layers panel, importantly, if we click on the drop down, you can see here you can switch on and off the different eyes to see which part of the image it's affecting. But most importantly, you need to go to this layer here. Now, as you can see, because we have this little icon in the corner here, this is a smart object. And that means if we double click on this item, it will take us to a new window. And here you can see the artwork that's been inserted into the poster. And all we need to do is insert our own artwork and either switch this layer off or get rid of it. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the picture I want to insert and simply drag it into Photoshop. It's going to make my screen a bit smaller. Just zoom out. And then if I switch off this layer below, you can see I've just got my PNG file. I'm going to use the transform tool, which is Command or Control T, just to make that a little smaller and resize to the center. The beauty of these mock-ups is you just click the Save button and then you can go and have a look at your design. So you can either go up to File, down to Save, or you can press Command or Control S and then just press Place. And then go back up to your mock-up. And you can see here that your image has been inserted and replaced the original image that was in this file. Then all you need to do is to go up to File and either Save As or Export. You can export as a JPEG or you can use your own customized settings, and then you'll export this image, which you can then use online in a brochure or for marketing purposes. If you're not happy with the image or its placement, you can simply go back up here to the file. You can change it, reduce it down, or of course you can change the image completely. There we go. Click OK, Command or Control S to save, go back, and then you can see your image has changed. So it's really, really flexible. I love these mock-ups, they're absolutely fantastic. I hope that's helped you today. If it has, please subscribe and have a great day.